So I got a composite failure here. I'm going to show Applied Molecules putty to fix it. You apply the putty, fill in the spots, smooth. We have an Applied Molecules light. Needs to be held back. You can be as close as you want to without touching it, but you can go back 3 or 4 inches to get a bigger area, so we can get the whole area at once. 10 to 15 seconds per area. I didn't count. You'll find it's hot. Needs to be let cool for a second. Once cooled, it can be sanded. Surface can be painted. It'll be paint receptive. It'll be durable as it is, so it can be used to, basically provide high strength fixes to composite areas. You'll find, we typically like to give samples a little bit of time, but it's durable. It will move. It's past all the cycling that's appropriate. In aging, you'll find it'll move with the sample. So it's usually stronger than the composite material itself. Thank you.